Ransomware shuts down home businesses every day, but it only wins when you can't restore. Today, you'll set up a backup you can actually use, fast. Think of backup as business continuity. If a laptop dies or files get encrypted, you plug in your drive, restore, and keep working. No panic, no ransom. Here's the plan. First, add a rugged portable SSD as your local safety net. The model I recommend is in the description. It's fast, tough, and connects by USB-C. Second, turn on automatic backup. On a Mac, use Time Machine. On Windows, use File History or your built-in backup. Point it to the SSD and set it to run automatically. You want versions, so you can roll back to last week if yesterday's copy is corrupted. Third, prove it works. Restore one file on purpose. Pick a document, restore a previous version, open it, and confirm you can read it. If you can't restore, you don't have a backup. You have a checkbox. Keep the routine simple. The SSD stays near your desk, you plug it in when you work, and once a week you verify a restore. If you travel, take the drive with you or keep a spare in a safe place. Your cloud sync is not your backup. It mirrors mistakes. Version backup plus a local SSD gives you speed to recover and options if the internet is down. If something bad happens, a deleted folder, a ransomware pop-up, you already know the drill. You grab the SSD, restore the files you need, and you're back in business in minutes. Make your business resilient today. Plug in the rugged SSD linked below, turn on automatic backups, and test restore one file. When you can restore on demand, ransomware becomes a speed bump, not a shutdown.